Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Graph API for Outlook events, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Microsoft Graph API for Outlook events, start by navigating to the Microsoft Azure portal. Log in with your Azure account. Once logged in, click on Azure Active Directory from the left-hand menu. In the Azure Active Directory section, select App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Provide a name for your application. Choose the supported account type that fits your needs. If you plan to access data in your organization only, select Accounts in this organizational directory only. After filling in all required fields, click on Register. Once registered, you will be directed to the app's overview page. Here, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID as you will need them later. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new client secret. Add a description and set an expiration period. Click on Add to generate the secret. Be sure to copy the secret value immediately, as you will not be able to see it again after this step. Now move to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a permission. Choose Microsoft Graph. From the options, select Delegate. Search for and select the permissions that your app requires to access Outlook events, such as Calendars Read and Calendars.ReadWrite. Once selected, click on Add Permissions. Next, you will need to grant admin consent for these permissions. Click on the Grant Admin Consent for your organization option. After the permissions are set, proceed to the information needed for the API calls. You need to obtain an access token to interact with the Microsoft Graph API. Use Postman or another API testing tool to help with the token retrieval. Make a post request to the OAuth2 token endpoint at https://login.microsoftonline.com/left-tenant-id right/OAuth2/v2.0/token single quote. Fill in the required parameters, including client_ID, client_secret, scope, and grant_type. Once the request is successfully completed, you will receive an access token. Store this token securely, as you will use it to authenticate your subsequent API calls. Next, you will call the Microsoft Graph API to retrieve Outlook events. Make a GET request to the endpoint https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/me/events single quote. Include the access token in the authorization header of the request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.